Hello everyone, happy November 24th. Today we celebrate sardines, evolutionary theory, and the joy of curiosity and flavor. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Sardines Day, a salty snack with surprising health benefits. A great gift could be a gourmet sardine tin sampler, a Mediterranean cookbook, or a seafood-themed apron. Love them or leave them? Let's fish for opinions in the comments. Next, it's Evolution Day, celebrating the anniversary of Darwin's On the Origin of Species. A thoughtful gift could be a science history book, a DNA model kit, or a natural selection board game. What's your favorite science breakthrough? Let's evolve the comments.
Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later.
And finally, it's Celebrate Your Unique Talent Day, a day to shine in your own special way. A sweet gift could be a custom talent trophy, a DIY skill badge kit, or a journal to track your growth. What's your hidden talent? Let's cheer each other on in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 21st to 25th. So, you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.